Alright, so in this video I'll be showing you how to have a private photo album on your Android device. And to do this, a good app you can use is called SafeSpace. To get the app, all you have to do is head over to the Play Store, tap on this search icon down here, tap it again, and then you search for SafeSpace. I've already searched for it before, so I'll tap on the top result, and this is it over here. It's the one with an S in the logo. Normally I would say I'll leave the link in the description, but sometimes I forget to do that, so please just search for it in the Google Play Store. So when you find it, you just tap install and give it some time to install. Depends on how fast your internet is. So after installing it, you tap open, and it's going to ask you to set your PIN. You can also use your fingerprint if you want, but I don't recommend it because you can have your fingerprint registered to more than one person, like your phone registered to more than one fingerprint. So yeah, I would recommend setting a PIN that you alone can remember. So you tap on set PIN, and you can use numbers and letters, I believe. So for this I'll just use numbers, but you should set something strong and memorable. So after entering your PIN twice, you tap OK. Oh, maybe I made a mistake. Okay, so now it's going to ask me to enter the PIN to sign in. So if it asks you if you want it to send you notifications, I would recommend not to. You want to make sure that the app avoids you a lot. You only need to log into the app. You don't have to let the app talk to you all the time. I don't know if you understand what I mean. Alright, so you tap OK over here, and as you can see, you have all these options down here. So if you want to create an album, you can tap on this folder icon and you can give it the name you want. So for this album, I'll just call it test, but you can call it what you want. And if I tap on it, I can tap this plus button here and then look for the picture that I want to use. So for this example, I'll just select this picture. Now the picture has been shared with the app. I can go to my gallery now and delete this picture. So don't forget to do that. Go to your gallery to delete the picture. You're always going to have a backup of it here. You can do other things here. You can tap on the camera if you want to take a picture and save it here. You don't have to delete it again from somewhere else. You can also create secret notes. And I think that's basically all you have to know. But you can tap on settings up here. If you want to enable the fingerprint, then, well, over there I wouldn't recommend it. You can do that by tapping here. So if I exit the app now, so this is the app here, SafeSpace. If I try to open it, you can see that it's asking me for the PIN, or I can tap here and enter my fingerprint. So I have the picture here as well. I can remove the picture from here by tapping export, and then I will choose where I want to save it in my file manager. And if I want, I can delete the picture as well if I no longer need it here. So that's how you create private albums on your Android device. If you found the video helpful, please give it a like and ask me any questions you have. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Take care and bye-bye.